Okay, that was in the back. It's huge. That carpet is 210 and 190, I think. But this is huge. I don't think this is even gonna fit here. Holy. I don't know how many mattresses I need to fill that up. Okay, now I have 2 mattresses. I don't think that's gonna go very far, but that's a start with that bean bag, so called. It's gonna be a foam bag and so soft. More mattresses. Good. And these I'll use at the garage. So everything goes to use. Okay, let's see what kind of mess I can make with these. I think it's gonna be bad. Okay, these are the pieces, but I don't know. This is gonna take so long. Oh shit. And I still think that this is gonna take forever, but I'm not a give up, so I will do this. Even when my hand hurts tomorrow like hell. Okay, this job will need some beer and music. Okay, so first mattress, the backrest. There it is, cut it in pieces. Okay, I think I need to make more, even if the clock is 8 now, so this took about few hours, 2 hours, 1.5 to make this one mattress. So okay, this carpet is going to crash when I have time to make this room, to renovate this room. So okay, now we just cut it with scissors. This is the hardest part here. Second mattress. My hand is hurting so much for this scissor cutting, so this is a lot faster and doesn't take so much effort to do it like this. I hope these two foldable mattresses are enough to fill that the rest of that bag. There's one foldable mattress and there's the second. Lot of work. So, two more of these. I think that's enough. Okay, I think there's enough filling in this. It's a bit bigger than I thought, but it has been very cozy even without this much stuffing. It's a bit lumpy because of that foam, but let's test this. This is so nice. Lot of work, but really nice. Good to sleep in this.